Hello and welcome. I'm Jesse Turner, Head of Industry Education and Advocacy at APM Help. At APM Help, we specialize in providing expert assistance to property management companies. Our services range from bookkeeping and accounting to operational support and compliance, ensuring that property managers can focus on what they do best, managing properties. For more information, check out our website at www.apmhelp.com. Now let's get started with the video.
Today, we'll be discussing the essentials of handling money for property managers. In this session, we'll cover key aspects such as trust accounts, rent and security deposit collections, and best practices for handling these funds. Let's get started. The first critical aspect of money setup is establishing trust accounts. Trust accounts are specialized bank accounts where the money you hold does not belong to you, but to your clients or tenants. It's essential to set up these accounts correctly to comply with legal requirements. First, you want to be aware of the type of account. Trust accounts, also known as escrow accounts, are designed to hold funds that do not belong to the property management company, but to the tenants or property owners. When setting up a trust account, ensure that it is labeled explicitly as a trust or escrow account. A standard business checking account is not sufficient. This often requires coordination with the bank's treasury department to ensure proper setup and compliance. Remember that you will likely need two of these accounts minimum, one for security deposits and one for your operating account, which is still a trust account. This is your operating account for rents and vendor bills, not the operating account for your property management company. The purpose of these accounts is very specific. These accounts are used to hold security deposits, advance rent payments, and any other funds that need to be segregated from the property manager's operating funds. Legal compliance is also an issue. Properly managing these funds is crucial for complying with state laws and regulations, which typically have strict requirements on how and where tenant and client funds should be held. Next, let's talk about collecting rent and security deposits. You're going to have separate accounts here. First is your operating account. Rent payments go into an operating account, which is used to manage daily expenses, pay vendors, and distribute funds to property owners. This account should be distinct from the trust account. On the other hand, your security deposit trust account is where security deposits are deposited into a separate trust account specifically for holding tenant deposits. This segregation ensures that these funds are not accidentally used for operational expenses on the properties. Here's some specific deposit procedures which will really help you. First is when you received a mixed payment, maybe when tenants paid both rent and security deposits in one payment. In this case, the property manager must deposit the entire amount into the operating account and then transfer the security deposit portion to the security deposit trust account. This ensures proper allocation and compliance. Another tip, collecting security deposits via certified funds, such as money orders, cashier's checks, or wires, minimizes the risk of chargebacks and ensures that the funds are secure. Security deposits require special attention. I spoke earlier about certified funds. Collecting security deposits via certified funds like money orders or cashier's checks ensures that the funds are immediately available and cannot be reversed. This practice protects the property manager from potential fraud and ensures the funds are secure. For handling deposits, remember that deposits are liabilities within your accounting, not income. Security deposits are considered liabilities. This means they must be held in trust and are not to be used for operational expenses. Treating these funds as income can lead to legal issues and financial discrepancies. Holding deposits are another type of tenant payment. Holding deposits are funds provided by potential tenants to secure a unit while their rental application is processed. These deposits show the tenant's intent to move forward with the lease. These deposits are typically temporary and are either refunded if the application is denied or converted to a security deposit once the lease is finalized. Once a lease is signed, the holding deposit is usually transferred to the security deposit trust account. and becomes part of the tenant's security deposit. This ensures that all funds are properly accounted for and managed. It's crucial to handle pet fees and security deposits correctly. A deposit, by definition, should be refundable. Therefore, terms like non-refundable security deposit are incorrect. Instead, non-refundable charges should be labeled as fees. Use terms like pet fee or cleaning fee instead of non-refundable deposits to ensure clarity and compliance. When it comes to pet fees, they can be structured in various ways, such as a one-time pet fee or ongoing pet rent. These fees cover potential damages caused by pets and should be managed separately from security deposits. If a refundable deposit is taken specifically for pet-related damages, it should be treated as a security deposit and held in the security deposit trust account. Here's some best practices to wrap up. Always use certified funds. Certified funds, cash, and wires are secure methods of payment that cannot be reversed. Avoid using ACH, online payments, and credit card payments for security deposits, as these can be pulled back, creating financial risks. Using secure payment methods minimizes the risk of fraud and ensures that the funds are reliably available. Second tip, maintain clear records. Keep detailed records of all transactions, including deposits, transfers, and withdrawals. This ensures transparency and compliance with legal requirements. Also, maintaining a clear audit trail helps in tracking funds and provides a solid defense in case of any disputes or audits. Thank you for watching this comprehensive overview of money set up in AppFolio and Property Managers. Properly managing these funds is crucial for compliance and effective property management. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or visit our website at apmhelp.com. Thank you.